This is how to connect your JumpTask to Honeygain. In this video, I'll be taking you through how to set up your JumpTask with your Honeygain so that you can be accruing your earning through JumpTask token and you'll be able to have access to 10% gift bonus. I will demonstrate this with a new account. This is a brand new account. For you to set up JumpTask with Honeygain, all you need to do is to click here. You can see this button. This is where you switch between Honeygain mode and JumpTask mode. You click this button, you can see you also get 10% bonus to your JumpTask wallet. All your accrue earnings will come with 10% bonus. So you click let's start. You can see add a JumpTask account. Don't forget, use the link below the description of this video to sign up to JumpTask. That will help you to have access to 20% earnings on this platform. After that, you log in and you go to locate your JumpTask account ID. For you to locate your JumpTask account ID, you click here. The first thing you see is your email address, your account. We want to copy JumpTask account ID. You click account. This is your profile. This is your JumpTask account ID. So you click copy. So you go back to Honeygain. Look at it. The third one is paste the account ID in the input row below. So you come here, you paste. You click add the account. The Honeygain system will need to now prompt you to be sure it is your account you are attaching JumpTask ID to. You have to go to your email, the one you use to join and sign up to Honeygain, to pick 6-digit verification code that is sent to your email address. You can see verification code Honeygain. This is the 6-digit. You copy it, come back to Honeygain, paste it. The next thing to do is to click verify. You can see JumpTask mode has been enabled and switch on. If you close this, currently now I'm making money to my JumpTask wallet on this account, and for every money I'm making, I'm getting 10% additional bonus. But don't forget, you can switch back. Look at it. You are now earning in Honeygain mode. I just switch back to Honeygain. You can see this tick, and any money you earn under Honeygain wallet is in real dollars, but you cannot collect it until it gets to $20. And you can switch back to JumpTask wallet. You click this button. Look at it. You are now earning in the JumpTask mode, and you can always see your earnings here in real time. You also observe wallet is missing. For you to know how to connect your wallet to JumpTask, watch this video. You will see and learn how I connected my JumpTask to my MetaMask wallet. You can decide on any choice of your wallet. To go back to my main account, it is also important you know that you can collect your money in two major ways. If you use JumpTask wallet, that is, you switch to JumpTask wallet, like I'm currently earning through JumpTask wallet. Look at this new account. It has accrued 0.3. Look at the same value, real time. You can collect this money at any time. That is when this reaches 0.5 JMPT token. Look at it. The minimum amount for withdrawal is 0.5 JMPT token. You only need to withdraw directly from here all the time. Let me show you. This is from my main account. You can see you can withdraw at any time of your choice, as long as the amount is more than 0.5 JMPT token. Also, when you choose to earn and accrue your earnings through Honeygain wallet, you can only withdraw your Honeygain when you get to $20 cash out limit. You only have two options when you want to cash out. Let me show you. You can see this account is over $21, and on Honeygain wallet mode, to cash out this money, you have two options to withdraw anytime you are cashing out through Honeygain wallet mode. You either withdraw through PayPal, which will cost you 15% of your earnings, or through JMPT token, which is free. Ensure you subscribe to this channel, like this video. You will get to see how I withdraw through Honeygain wallet mode and I cash out to PayPal without these charges. It is a new method and it is legitimate. You can see transaction history. You can see my payout. When my Honeygain wallet accrued to $20, I withdrew through JMPT token using my MetaMask wallet. For you to know how to do that, watch this video. This video will take you through step by step of how to cash out your Jump token to MetaMask. Don't forget to like this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Ensure you watch the next video. You learn different other ways to get free money like Honeygain. No work and no investment. And the second video will take you through how you can cash out Honeygain directly to your bank account in any country. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.